guys, it's Yadi Chris representing Jamaica here in Green Island. So guys, for today's video, we're going to the beach. So we just woke up. Moya had some washing to do, so she's hanging up her clothes now. Guys, look at this view. So peaceful up here. So we're going to go and check out Moya and her washing right now. And Javari. Good morning, Moya.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Javari, what did I teach you this morning? Say Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
What does that mean?
Guten Morgen.
I will give you one hint. It doesn't mean happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
It is not working.
Say Guten Morgen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
So guys, I'm trying to teach him to say good morning in German and for him to understand that it means good morning. And for him to tell mommy Guten Morgen every morning. But it's like he gets distracted, I guess. I mean, it's just yeah, he's 3 and we'd have to keep it up. We'd have to be very consistent. But it has been fun and he's pronouncing the words properly. But I guess we want him now if he just knows say Guten Morgen means good morning. And he should tell mommy Guten Morgen in the morning.
What is school? I'm going back home.
Where is home?
You're going to say Guten Morgen.
Javari, young.
So
Leave
guys,
my clothes then, please.
let's take a look at her river in her backyard. This girl is privileged, guys. Look at this lifestyle.
Auntie Crystal.
Be careful, be careful.
I will get out
So she has here a little river in her backyard. If you look up some more, you can see it better.
a dog in the river.
Yes, a dog in the river.
See that dog
Guys, you
fight?
see that little bit of water coming down there?
Oh, I
Can
see the
hear it.
watch. I see the watch.
You see the watch?
I think the watch is gonna bite me.
Which watch?
Over their flight in town.
They cannot bite you. I'll bite them before they bite you. Come.
Father's gonna bite. Wait,
What?
wait.
Moya, are these bananas for me?
Jesus Christ. No girl, they're for me.
I say you move.
And my banana, but
Those are
go.
not
it's in my yard.
You go adapt them.
So,
I see a dog in the way.
Then she has a little orange tree. Where's the orange?
what?
So orange tree. Then she have a little home for her duck. Guys, it's gonna have a pet duck.
I don't have a pet duck. There's a duck here, but it's not my duck.
It's my
You know
dog.
that dog that will walk and eat for everybody?
That is the duck for her. Oh, I wonder if we can find him to show the people in.
I think we're gonna find him.
To the river here. Continue.
Ducky,
So orange falling.
Ducky.
Maya said the plum must spoil down here.
Let's see. I see him.
Ducky come here. What do you call it? Feature in the video. Hey Ducky, good morning. Say Guten Morgen to Ducky.
Hey, he's running.
Say Guten Morgen to Ducky. Ducky wants to speak German, Javari.
The ducky cannot speak. He's just running.
Say Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
See, he's coming back now. How are we to scare him with the German? Did we scare him with the German?
Yes.
No.
Oh no, his dog is in the way. But he's going.
So guys, that is us in the morning, yeah. Spending some quality time with my big friend. Yeah.
Hey, happy birthday.
What is wrong, Moya? Why you skin up your face?
I'm getting old. I'm feeling pain all over.
Oh God. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Be careful, come back. I'm scared. Why? Never mind, no
I'm
ramping
not
out.
a dog.
You're not a dog? You sure?
I'm not a dog.
You sure?
No, you're not a dog.
Guys, you remember these? Jello. Go try one. Just bring back memories. Yummy, yummy. Bring back so many memories, man. Guys, upon the kitty. Guys, look at the kitty I found.
He was fluffy, big and fluffy.
Meow.
I told me like for a couple of days now.
Meow.
He just get mad at her.
Guys, look at the kitty.
Morning.
And pretty. Meow.
Chris?
Javari.
What you doing with that in your hand?
Javari. You ready for the beach?
Yes.
Ready for the beach?
Happy birthday.
You ready for the beach?
Yes.
Aww.
Sorry, stop. You don't know you have a dirty food.
I don't know why you
Go, Javari.
like a real vlogger, man.
This child. Look like. That's easy to do. It's easy to look like something that you're not. Wow.
Love chum, you alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Some more? You're not an egg
I'm
fan?
not an eggnog fan. Yeah, but while it's slouching. You want to walk there? Jabari! Come now, brother. Yeah, take your one sweet time. Look where you're going. Yeah. There, man.
It's a deja vu. Oh God.
Hey.
So guys, we're here. We just got some food.
Where are we?
We're here in Negril.
And where did we buy the food?
Where did we buy the food, Moya?
Corner bar.
Corner bar.
Good.
So they had jerk chicken. They had brown stew chicken and curry chicken.
Juice.
And I picked the brown stew.
And another juice.
Ooh. And another juice. And
Now,
yeah, at first wanted to take it to the beach, but we like these sitting areas out here, guys. So
birthday.
look at them. So nice. And that's the restaurant over there. So we're just gonna eat here and then go over to the beach. Yeah. So good appetit, Moya. Good appetit.
said, I should put in it first. You should have had that too.
Well, guys, this is the brown stew chicken that we got.
I don't know.
So guys, when I'm growing up, I'm gonna bring up like a whole heap of brownie. Because I was telling Maya that when I make it with the brown sugar, it still don't taste the same, like, cause you know browning have other seasoning in there. So I'm gonna try bring at least 6 buckle Maya. That's how serious it is. How long my browning buckle last you for?
Me?
How often you cook and how long it lasts you? A month or more. So I need at least 12 bottles.
One page.
I want it last a year, man. Cause
Buttons and crystal.
7 bottles I need. You sure? Alright. Guys, Maria said I should catch the birdie. So I was telling her I'm a lame vlogger. I keep missing all the really cool moments on camera. Thing is, you can't have your camera on 24/7 because the battery will run out. Enjoy the smile.
I got it. Can walk any one of the steps really. What is wrong? It's on the beach we have a Jamaican. Go on and go. No running. Yeah. The Negril Beach Park, one of the few. It's on your foot, you know? I don't know why them not fix up over here better. Look how the place big and nice, man.
My slippers wet, mommy.
Your slippers are wet? It's okay. You're going to the beach and you're gonna get wet.
I didn't get wet from the beach.
Yeah. You look like a baptized and baptized people, yes?
If you are Christian, you can hear the word of God to people who is native. You can hear the word of God.
People are getting baptized.
Guys, these people are getting baptized
In the sea. It's usually a pool or a river or something like that. You ready? What do you want to hear? Huh? Oh, you get the camera to turn around.
turn on.
You don't have like turn around. Oh.
You did it.
What did you do?
Hold on, baby. let's find a spot. Crystal, you seen a spot? Up further?
Man, try for them now. No, it's coming. So guys, we're on our way back home. Guys, we get washed out. One piece of rain just come down eventually and we just change real fast and now we're heading home. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Peace!